In a coastal town, a repurposed shipping container houses a tiny home where 3D printed interior modules snap into sleek corners. The design maximizes light with a glass lift roof and a mezzanine bed that folds into a desk when needed. Solar panels and a battery pack power a compact kitchen, a rainfall shower in an app-controlled climate, all tucked into under a 40 square meter footprint. Builders used recycled timber, bright white panels, and hidden storage corridors to keep the space feeling open. This project proves 3D printed parts plus real materials can transform a container.